Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Now today we're going to do an unboxing of a new wireless speaker that I purchased a couple of weeks ago from Pepco, which is a Romanian store located here in Bucharest, Romania. It also has quite a few locations around the country. I'm not sure if in other country it is still present, but here in Romania it is. It's not very special, not a special Bluetooth speaker, does not have that many functions, but it's quite cheap. As you can see, there are the prices here if you want to pause the video and take a look for yourself. The brand is Dasounds. I'm not sure if you heard of it or not. I haven't heard of it before acquiring this video. So yeah, let's unbox it and see what comes in the box, how it sounds. All right, so inside the box you get the user's manual, which is, I'm not sure if it's needed because it is pretty intuitive. You get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable and the speaker itself. Now keep in mind, this is not a stereo Bluetooth speaker, it's just a mono one, so yeah, nothing too fancy. Alright, on the bottom, I'm not sure if the camera will focus, but yeah, there are a few informations about the model number, the input. It does not specify the battery inside it, but yeah, it says that the input is 5 volts 1 amp, so I'm guessing you can charge it from your PC, from your computer, or use a wall charger. Alright, it does come with a lanyard, so you can, I don't know, attach it to backpack or loop it around other handles. On the top you have the power button, volume up, volume down, and the play and pause. It does have a fabric mesh-like texture on it, which is quite nice. Alright, I'm not sure if it is water resistant or waterproof. It definitely isn't, but it might be water resistant, as it does have a rubber flap which covers the auxiliary port and the USB-C charging cable. Now this auxiliary port, from what I understand, it might be used to connect an antenna to it, as it does have a radio mode. However, if you don't connect anything to the speaker and just power it on and you switch to radio mode, you'll only hear static. There's no way to change the channels or anything else. Alright, let's close this up. Okay, let's try and power on the speaker.
Power on, Bluetooth mode.
Alright, now let's pair it up.
Connected.
Yeah, as you can see, it does show up as simple Bluetooth speaker. I'm guessing it also has a built-in microphone, so you can answer calls or use it for... You can also use it in the car if you want, if you have an older car which does not have an infotainment system with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Alright, now let's go to YouTube and do a short audio test, see how it sounds. Okay, let's see if we can find something which won't be copyrighted. Well, let's see. let's go to maximum. Okay. Sorry. Alright, let's see if it yeah, it does sound pretty loud, although not that much bass. It's more angled towards the medium spectrum of the audio. Yeah, it is quite compact, although a bit chunky in the hand, as you can well see. But it's good to have with you when you're traveling and you wanna, I don't know, listen to some music, or you're out in nature. You wanna have something that you can connect to your phone and have, I don't know, some background music when you're barbecuing or out with friends, even camping by yourself if you want to have some nice relaxing music to listen to. Does not take that much space in your backpack, given that it has a micro USB-C charging port. You can use it with any battery bank that you have. So yeah, it is quite convenient. It is pretty cheap, does not cost much, as you saw in the beginning of the video when I showed the prices. So yeah, that's about it for the video, and yeah, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.